Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with an Ipsy unboxing. Yes, I fooled you. It is Monday right now, so I'm doing a mask try on Monday. Well, technically, I already put up a mask try on Monday. Already out. I'm doing a mask right now. I do a mask every Monday, even though it's not filmed. But I did get this in the mail, like literally just a couple seconds ago. So I was like, you know what? Let's do this. This is Ipsy Glam Bag, not Glam Bag Plus. This retails for $13 a month. You get 5 travel or full. It's a mixture between full, travel, and deluxe size samples and just regular mini tiny samples. It's basically for you to try to see if you like stuff, if you don't like stuff, and see what's the tea. So let's see what the tea is today. By the way, my name is Kayla B. If you don't know me, then hit that subscribe button, please, and hit that notification bell so you get all the notifications when I upload, and also click all so you get all. Anyways, let's get into this. I hope it's better than my BoxyCharm because my BoxyCharm was a letdown. Oh. By the way, it's 3 different bags this month, and it's 3 different colors. You have a pink one. Hold on, let me go back to that. Oh, by the way, this is the Refreshment's Luscious Hand Cream and Coconut Colada. I redeemed my points for this. That's the reason why it was in here. And yeah, it's a pink one with a watermelon, a yellow one with I think that's a watermelon, or it's like a grapefruit. And then you got a purple one with a lemon tassel, like not tassel, but like a zipper. But yeah. Oh, it has, I could smell it through the seal. It's very coconutty. I like it. I like that a lot. No. There we go. Back to the right side. I always do that. Oops. I always do that. Alright, so this retails for $13 a month plus $1.99 for shipping and handling, and also tax. Yeah, they charge shipping and handling now. Who knew? That's the reason why it went from something $15 to now $17. This is the bag that I got. I got the pink one. Not the pink one. The yellow one, and that's what I wanted. And it has the pink for Ipsy right there, because it doesn't say Ipsy everywhere else. Oh, it says Ipsy on the tag. And no, it's not red. It's an orange slice. I thought it was red. On the thing, it says it looks like a watermelon slice, but it's an orange slice. That's too cute. Okay. Now it makes sense. Yellow got orange. An orange slice. Oh, something smells good in here. I don't know what it is. Something smells good in here. Okay, it says show your colors. It says red, white, and beauty sales stock up for summer, June 26th to July 5th. Okay. Don't miss choice. Log on June 20th to June 22nd. Well, when this video comes up, well, basically today is choice. But when this video comes up, I think choice will be passed by then. Anyways, yeah, so it says show your colors. And, oh, it's flippy. Warm weather, no prop. Your 5 new products valued at $50 and more are very cool. Sorry, I just don't know who make these. It's something in here, and it's my choice item. They got some good choices this month, like some really good choices. This is from Beauty Creation, the Murillo twins. Like, I had to really see what was what. and this was already on the website. I wish I saw that the beauty vault thing was on the website, because it was like, oh, they're trying to give us something that's not on the website. It was coming out when the bag was coming out, and I didn't know that. And I tried to check their website, their Instagram, no telling that there was going to be a mini palette. Because if I knew, I would have gotten it. But I'm not mad with what I got. Oh, and especially because that thing is not a full shimmer. I thought that the blue right here was going to be a full shimmer, but it's like a satin. And I could work with a satin for a deeper shade. And the brown is actually deep enough for me to do and the purple is deep enough. Okay. All right. I could work with this. I could work with this palette. Right here. And it's beautiful too. And it got a mirror. This is Beautication's Brittany. I guess this is the Brittany one of the Morello twins. Yeah, it has her signature. I don't know who they are. I'm not a fan, but I liked the option, so I got it. I'm more of a fan of Beauty Vault, and I wish I got their palette, because if I knew it was real, I would have got that palette. But I like the palette I have, so I'm not complaining. I just don't know who the person is. Full size, it retails for $17. Okay. Can't wait to try this out in a First Brush Friday. This is, ooh, I love me some Laruce. This is their brush. This is, I want to put it on my face so badly. This is their eye brush, their blending brush. And I love Laruce brushes. I really do, but I really wish that all mine didn't break. Because I got it when they first was like always giving out Laruce brushes. And then mine broke because I constantly kept on using them. Constantly kept on washing them. And then all the hair came out. I hate when that happens. When all the hair comes out. But I like when all the hair comes out. Then just like one strand, then another strand, then another strand. And strands on your face while you're blending stuff. I hate that one. When they all come out, then it's like, need a new brush. Yeah, so that retails, it's full size and it retails for $28. Oh my gosh, their brushes are so expensive, and especially it's just a little ass brush. Who would pay $28? I still get mad when I have to pay $10 for a blending brush. I'd rather just buy it on sale or buy it at Ulta and like do a price at like $5, or buy Ulta brushes and like do it cheaper, or buy Morphe brushes and get cheaper price on. Like literally, I'd rather do that for brushes when I have to buy brushes than anything else. Oh my gosh, like some parts needs to dry still, but it's almost time to take that off. So yeah, 28 and 17 already coming together. Let's keep going. So my cat's currently by my feet right now because he wants to play. I don't know why he was gonna play early in the freaking morning. Stop it. Okay, I washed the mask off my face a little bit. The serum is settling in. So before I do my whole skincare routine in front of you, let's keep on going with this bag. I like the two products that we've seen so far. Let's go into the third product. Ooh! The eyeliner pencil that is not black. This is actually, ooh, it's a vibrant blue. If you could see that, can you see that? There we go. I'm gonna put my hand in front of it so you guys see it. Like a blue purplish kind of type of color. Let me just read about it. Lovecraft Beauty Gel Line Eye Pencil. No smears or smudge here. This creamy purple. Oh, it's purple. There was like an indigo type of thing. Pencil sets to a waterproof finish. So whatever eye look you create will look fresh for hours and hours through sweat, tears, rain, you name it. Retails for $13. I'm getting full size left and right. Picking that full size product, I'm doing good. This is a good month. I just hope they don't push it up on my birthday month. That's what usually happens. They usually have a good month, and then my birthday month comes, and then it's like, F you. I think that's what Box Charm's gonna do, because I had to pick a product, and it was either a bland eyeshadow palette or something that doesn't fit my skin tone, and I picked the stuff that doesn't fit my skin tone. Next thing is a Candy Melts vegan lip balm. It has like a little sticker, so I'm not going to open it or try to open it right now, but this is what the package looks like. So this is 5 grams worth of product, right? Yep, it's 5 grams worth of product, 18.18 ounces, but the full size is 12 grams worth of product, and it's $12. So that means this is $5. Cool. So this right here is $5. Yeah, I'm getting some good stuff. Finally, I got a nail polish, but it's not even a summer color. This is black. This is full size and it's $15. This is We Are Fluide 7 free polish in Star Quake. Say hello to your new fall mani go-to. It's not fall. The shimmery dark purple. Oh, it's a dark purple. Shade feels edgy, glam, and totally on trend for cooler months. Alright. Okay. You got it. You got it. Oh, I can't even put it on my nails. It's sealed. So overall, let me do my calculations. Overall, it retails for $78. This bag retails for $78. This bag is over $50. This never happens to me. It's usually close to 50, under 50, or 50. It never happens to be over 50, and especially over $25 over 50. Like, what? This is a good bag. I had a good month. Not with Boxy, but for Ipsy. Like, oh, I like it. I spent my money well. You know, the thing is that me getting Ipsy and me getting Boxy, I haven't gone to Sephora in like 3 months. That's crazy. I haven't gone to Sephora or Ulta in 3 months. Wow. That's crazy. But that's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to hit that button and subscribe if you're not subscribed, or give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I got good stuff. I got good stuff. I got good stuff. I'm sorry, I'm just happy. I got eyeliner that's not black. I got a brush. You guys know I love brushes. I only have like another Laruce brush. I only have is foundation brush, so I'm happy to get another Laruce brush, and especially in my favorite color, gray. Like, and I can't wait to try a freaking new palette, especially I never tried anything from Beauty Creations. Like, this is some real good stuff. And a lip balm, I needed another lip balm. It's summertime, and I'm wearing mostly lip balms, lip oils, and lip glosses. True that. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Like, and then this, I finally got a freaking thing, and this could be on my toes. I can wear this on my toes, and I don't have to get him pay extra and get a freaking design because it sparkles. I'm excited. I want to see if it's, you know, if it's clear or not, if it's going to, you know, see through or not, if you're going to see through my nails. But you'll probably see that in one of my first impressions Fridays, because I'm about to do my nails right now. Anyways, deuces. See you guys in the next video.